Assalamualaikum. I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. I am your English teacher, Miss Hafsa Babar. I am going to give lecture on unit number 3 of grammar skills, and today our topic is proper nouns. Before going to discuss about proper nouns, firstly I will revise you about noun that you have read in your previous class. A name of person, place or thing. For example, Ali is a name of person, Lahore is a name of place, book is a name of thing. Now move towards our today topic, that is proper nouns. Special name given to people, things, places, roads, mountains and books. To specify people, things, places, roads, mountains and books are called proper noun. They are begin with capital letters. Now move towards part number A at page number 12 of book Grammar Skills. Write the following using proper nouns. The street where you live. The street in which you live is a proper place. So you will write the street in which you live. And its first letter should be capital. Okay. Your best friend name, it's a name of person. Its first letter also capital. Now third, your teacher. Miss Michelle. A river is also a proper noun. Name of river, Ravi. A mountain, K2, is also a proper noun. I have selected few filling in blanks from the page number 12 of part number A. Now by revising this definition of proper noun, you can fill the further filling the blanks on this page. Now page number 13, part number C. Underline proper noun in the following sentences, then rewrite the sentence correctly. Now number 1. The guest stayed in the Royal Hotel in the Green Street. Now first of all you will underline the proper noun in the sentence, then rewrite the sentence again on the given place. Now the guest stayed in the Royal Hotel. Royal Hotel is the name of proper place. You will underline Royal Hotel. In the Green Street. Green Street. Green is the name of proper place. Now you will rewrite the sentence again. Royal Hotel is the name of proper noun. So its first letter should be capital. Green Street is also a proper noun. Its first letter should be capital. Now our second example is Janet is reading the story of Peter Pan. Now you will firstly underline the proper noun in this sentence, then rewrite the sentence again. Janet is a name of person, so it is a proper noun. You will underline this. Is reading the story of Peter Pan. It's a name of specific book. You will underline this also. Now rewrite the sentence again. Its first, Janet is a proper noun, so its first letter should be capital. Is reading the story of Peter Pan. Now third one is Christmas falls on the 25th of December. Christmas is the name of a festival, so it is a proper noun. So you will underline Christmas. Falls on the 25th of December. December is also specific, so you will underline December. Now rewrite the sentence again. Christmas falls on the 25th of December. I have selected only 3 sentences from part number C. Now by revising the definition of proper noun, you can solve the further sentences on your book. Okay, done from my side. Allah Hafiz. Stay home. Save lives.